Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat 72 hours problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, Alright, so there's a few things we can do. So the first thing is wait the full 72 hours. I know this can be annoying, but trust me, this works. So Snapchat puts a hold on account deletion for 72 hours after you reactivate it by logging in. So you must wait the full 72 hours from your last login before trying to delete it again. And really try not to log in within that 72-hour period, because if you do, it resets the timer. So avoid opening the Snapchat app or logging into the website. Now, after the 72 hours, delete again. So once the waiting period is over, follow these steps. So what we need to do is go to accounts.snapchat.com on a web browser. So you head over to accounts.snapchat.com. Then from here, basically log in with your credentials. And now once you're inside your account, scroll down and click onto delete my account. Then re-enter your username, password, and click continue. And your account will be now deactivated for 30 days. After this, it will be permanently deleted unless you log back in again. So if you want it permanently deleted, do not log back in. And if you're bad at remembering things, you can always put a reminder on your calendar so you don't accidentally cancel the deletion by logging in.